Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this slide-in induction 30-inch GE profile range right here. Model number is PHS930. So just starting out, I mentioned this in one of my other videos about GE with their ranges. If you switch out your old 30-inch freestanding range to a GE slide-in range, they basically have this thing that they call the fit guarantee, where they will if it doesn't fit, they will give you $300 towards modifications to make it work for you. So when I say induction, kind of what that means is the way the technology works in here is it has a ceramic plate, and underneath that ceramic plate we have a electromagnetic coil. Now when you turn the burner on, basically what happens is the electric current runs through the coil, heats up that ceramic plate so that it reacts only with metal pots and pans. Speaking of metal pots and pans, when you do purchase this range, GE will give you an 11-piece Chantel cookware set with the range as well. Just looking at this, so you have the touch glide control as well, so you control it with a touch of a finger instead of traditional knobs. You can it's all touchscreen, which is really nice. Moving on, we're looking at the 3700 watt induction element. Basically can boil, like this says, 1 quart of water in 101 seconds, which is super quick. Now from there, moving on to this, it's not just two separate burners. You can actually place a griddle right here. Each burner is going to be 2500 watts, so obviously you can put bigger pots and pans right there as well. Now going into the Wi-Fi Connect, GE, they use their Home Kitchens app, Home Kitchen Appliance app, and essentially what that does is you can preheat, you can connect it to the probe that's in here as well, and that'll tell you what the heat of the meat is that you're cooking as well, and also run your diagnostic reports too. We got our true European convection fan back here. We got our never scrub glide racks. When you run a self-clean cycle, you don't have to worry about consistently taking those out, scrubbing them all the time as well. Also, your storage drawer is soft close, so you can shut it as hard as you like, and it'll soft close for you. So yeah, that's all I have on this for today, but I mean there's plenty of stuff that you guys can check out on our website, appliancefactory.com. If you have any questions, you can send us emails on there and ask any stuff that you want to ask us there as well. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one.